Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session for deleting the observation rules defined for a class. For this, we have to go in the examination module, and as we select the module name, it will appear on the main screen. Now click on the business rules and select the screen observation rules. As the screen opens, select a class for which observation rule needs to be deleted and select the option activity or unit-wise remark or overall performance for deletion. Click on the button delete and the following options will appear for deletion option. The first option, delete all observation rules with based on option as activity for the selected class. This option will delete the observation rules defined for all the activities, that is subjects, under the selected activity type, that is academic or non-academic, for the selected class, that is all the class sections. The next option, delete all observation rules with based on option as unit-wise remarks for selected class. If this option is selected, then all the observation rules defined under the based on option as unit-wise remarks will get deleted for the selected class, that is all the class sections. The option delete all observation rules with based on options as overall performance for selected class will delete the observation rules defined under the based on option as overall performance for all the class sections of the selected class. Then the option delete observation rules for the selected activity and class. This option will delete the exam rules for a specific activity only for the entire class. That means that if the observation rules are defined for multiple activities for a class, then only for a selected activity the observation rule will get deleted for the class through this option. The next option, delete observation rules for the selected other than activity in class, will delete the observation rules defined under based on option as unit-wise remarks for the selected other than activity only for the selected class. The last option, delete observation rule for the selected overall performance in class. This option will delete the observation rule defined under based on option as overall performance for the selected other than activity only for a selected class. So let us see the impact of choosing one of these options. Before we choose the first option, let us first check the data which is already there. Click on the cancel to cancel these options. Select a class, select based on activity, select an activity type and select an activity from an activity list. We see that for Hindi, an observation rule is created. Let us check other subjects also. For information technology also, the observation rule is created. And for mathematics also, some observation rule is created. So we see that for multiple activities, an observation rule, teacher's remarks, is created. Let us delete the observation rules now. Click on the button delete and let us select the first option, which is delete all observation rules with based on option as activity for the selected class. So in this case, if we choose this option, it should delete the observation rule for all the activities, that is Hindi, information technology and maths that we just saw for the selected class. So let us check the deletion option. Click on the circle against the option and click on the OK button. Before clicking OK, please ensure that the correct option and correct class is selected, because once deletion is done, the data cannot be retrieved back. So after selecting the correct option, click on button OK and it gives us the confirmation that observation rules for based on option as activity for class 6 have been removed successfully. Click OK on the confirmation message and let us go back and check for class 6. So for class 6 activity and the academic activity type only, click on the selected activity and you will now see that the observation rules have been deleted against multiple activities. So by this option, we are able to delete all the observation rules for the activity type selected for a specific class. Click on the clear button to clear the screen. Now let us check the other options for unit-wise remarks also. Select the class for which the observation rules needs to be deleted and click on the based on option as unit-wise remarks. Now before deletion, click on the view button to check the observation rules created. So we see that two rules are created for Mont 1, remarks and teacher's remarks. If we click on remarks, we see that general remarks is created as an observation name, and if we click on the teacher's remarks, we see that CT remarks are created as observation rule. So let us now click on the delete button and select the second option to delete all the observation rules with the based on option as unit-wise remarks for the selected class. Click on the round circle button against the option and click on button OK. The message appears that the observation rules for based on option as other than activity for the selected class has been deleted successfully. Click OK on the confirmation message and recheck by selecting the class, unit-wise remarks, and as you click on the view button, you will see that both the observation rules have been deleted for the selected class. So, similarly, you can choose the deletion options as required and delete the observation rules as per the requirement. Remember that once these observation rules are deleted, they cannot be retrieved. So be extra careful. Thank you for watching this video.